Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am eating the famous TikTok pasta, the feta pasta. Feta, I like to say it properly. And this looks absolutely amazing, guys. It is just amazing. I've been wanting to try it for a long time. It looks great. And what I've added, you've seen in the recipe what I've added. It's very, very simple, very, very easy. I substituted the garlic for some red onion because I don't like garlic, as you all know. And then I made some homemade beer battered onion rings. Now, these look absolutely incredible. I'm so excited to eat these. To drink, I just have a peach tea, and I'm just going to add the water. And yeah, let's get into the video. So it will turn a different colour soon. Guys, I am so excited for this, you've no idea. Look at the pasta, the feta, the plum tomatoes. It's just so simple, but it smelled amazing when I was cooking it. Oh, so good. Now I'm going to go in for an onion ring, guys, because these look delectable. Look at the size of these. I'm just going to eat it on its own. So let's go, guys. Wow. These are amazing. They're quite naughty though, because obviously I'm on a healthy eating plan. But today's a cheat day. All my mukbangs are. Can you see this is turning like an orange colour now? Yum. And let's get into the pasta. Let's have a big bite. Oh my god. It looks so creamy. Let's go. Wow. Oh my god, this tastes incredible, guys. So good. Mmm. Guys, I urge you, if you've got if you don't like onion, garlic, if you don't like garlic, add some red onion. So the red onion makes it so sweet. It's kind of spicy with it because of the red chili flakes. I think I may have put too much in. I don't like spice, as you know. Mmm. Now the feta is it's quite bitter, so I added some sugar because I don't really like the tartness. It was so tart when I tried it at the end. This is, oh my god, it's so good. It's so simple. Oh my god. Mmm. You don't need ketchup, but I'm going to add some These have to be the best onion rings I've done. Seriously. They're so amazing. I followed such a simple recipe. The recipe is from Martha Stewart. And I'm sorry, but look at these. They're just amazing. I mean, I don't want them all to fall. These are just unreal, guys. Look at the side of that one. Perfectly cooked. Huge bite. Guys, my nose is running. I put way too much chili flakes. So good. So sweet. Guys, I'm getting full. So full. I'm gonna have a couple more bites, I think. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my god. So good. Right, guys, I'm going to have one more bite and then an onion ring, and then that is it because I am so full. So spicy. Let's have a big one. Look at that. Oh, God. So good. So guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the mukbang. This was incredible, so creamy. It almost reminds me of goat's cheese, this this cheese. It really does. The onion rings are, I think, some of my best ones I've ever made. And I hope you enjoyed the video, the TikTok viral feta pasta. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, guys. You have a membership area, guys. If you'd like to subscribe and support the channel, it would mean the world to me. You get exclusive lives and more content there. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you're having an amazing day, night, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next video.